So, because dogs are cute, so I made my hairstyle a cute style. So we'll start with the puppy and end with the dog. Okay. So today we have a twist in our video, and that is in earlier videos I always used to tell you the benefits and not show them. So today I will show you the benefits. So let's get on to the video. So firstly, I have to stand on our thighs and then sit on them and fold them. And then walk forward and come in a dog type pose. And then come forward and a little bit, and then tuck your chest to the mat. So guys, as well I have told you that I will tell you the benefits of it. So I'll show you. So first is stretching my hands. See, can you see the pressure? And then it's putting pressure on my back because I'm bending it. And it's also stretching my hands. So guys, our puppy is a big dog. So we will do a upward facing dog. So guys, now I have to come again. I have to come types of a dog pose, and then we have to put our body down, and then it's just like a cobra pose, but in cobra pose we have to bend our hands and make them tight. But in upward facing dog, our hands are in front and they are not bending at all, like this. So let's count till 10, and we make sure that your head is up, looking up. We'll count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right now I'll tell you the benefits. So it's stretching my torso and my hands and my shoulder blades. So can you see the pressure? And on my back also, and on my neck because I'm stretching it back. So guys, now we will do a downward facing dog. So the rules are same. So first, it's not the rules are same, but the beginning rules are same. So we have to stand on our thighs, come forward, but now we have to straighten our legs and come forward and touch our whole feet down. But if you're a beginner, I know you can't touch your whole feet down. So slowly and steadily, you will know how to do that. Like if you practice coming up like this, and you can also straighten your legs like this. Please try this also. Straighten your legs. First, when I joined yoga, I also didn't know how to do that, but slowly and steadily I know. So now I'll tell you the benefits. So the benefits are, it's stretching your legs again, and now it's also stretching your hands and your thighs, obviously. So guys, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe my channel. Bye.